We are walking, going to our room, and we finally made it. Room 8209, and our keys are there. 8209. All right. See you guys in a little bit when we do our room tour. Might as well add it to this. Oh. See you guys later. Hey guys, welcome to our room, 8209, interior room this time. Come on in. As you can see, it's not as spacious as our last one. You have only one closet. Oh my gosh, we have one little closet here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll have Bo come in a little bit. But since we're already here in the front, we might as well come over to the restroom. Standard bathroom here on Carnival. So check that out. You've seen that in all of our room tours. 8209 towards the forward part of the ship, and we'll have him come this way and we'll take a look. Let me turn the lights off here. Oh, no lights. Oh, maybe not. Here are the closet spaces. Here's the fridge. We have our closet right here. Another area where they have some of the linens as well, so not too spacious as I mentioned. So it almost feels like a closet. I feel like this is the smallest room that we've been in. A small, very simple desk with 3 drawers here on the bottom, and then this little caddy area that you probably put, like, I don't know, knickknacks. Small desk, as I mentioned. Nice queen size bed, maybe king. I think it's king. And then an end table that's on that side and this side as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. We don't have much in this room. It's a very, very small room, as you can see. Of course, the towels and all that. So nothing big, just something to sleep in for the next 3 nights while we're here enjoying the Carnival Radiance. So thank you guys again for hanging out with us on this embarkation day. Really appreciate it. We're excited to be on this Carnival Radiance reboot. I think I said it's going to be a reload. Did I say reboot or reload? Y'all call it whatever you want. You'll see it on the title. But thanks for hanging out with us. We're going to grab something to eat. Don't miss us on the Missing Tooth Mukbanger as we shove some of this food down at the Lido deck. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
You know what? We're gonna jump to the left, jump to the right, jump to the left, jump to the right. Everybody jump to the left, jump to the right, jump to the left. All right, now listen up. Just clap your hands. Come on. And hey, come on, clap. And hey, clap. And hey, come on, clap. And hey, to the front. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right foot, let's go. Right foot. Left foot, let's go. Left foot. Right foot again. Right foot. Left foot again. Left foot. Right foot, let's go. Right foot. Left foot, let's go. Left foot. I need to know. Leave your clap. Clap your hands. Come on. Come on. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low? All right, so you're looking good. How low can you go? All right, now bring it up. Bring it up to the top. Bring it up. Like you never stop. There you go. Can you bring it to the top? One time. Right foot down. There you go. Left foot down, y'all. Left foot. Chop, chop, chop. There you go. Turn it up. Give yourselves a round of applause. We got another one for you. Another one for you. All you're gonna do, you're gonna walk backwards.
What's up, guys? All right, we are headed out. We're sailing away from Long Beach now. We're on deck 12, right at the top here. The sail away party ended already. You guys probably saw a little bit about a little of that. And as you can see, look how gorgeous that looks. The lights on. The sun is setting, or has begun to set on the West Coast, and we are sailing away, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us and joining us on A&B Variety TV. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and we did do a quick live stream on the Missing Tooth Mukbanger. I'll put the link up here so you guys can see that. It was about a 10-minute live stream, but it was a lot of fun because there was so many people on the Lido deck having a great time just watching the people ham it up for this trip today. So, all right, last look of the big old funnel there. We are thunderstruck, Carnival thunderstruck, and we are headed out to sea. You can see as we're leaving, there's a Holland America ship right over there. We are speeding up and speeding out of the Long Beach harbor here. A little bit of a view here, I'll show you.
You are responsible for bringing about the end of previous tests. So I would like to keep on doing it. Stop my heart, like it's stopped on the road. Please, you will never push spreading on the stage.
All right, everybody. We'll see you guys on Sea Day. Check us out on the Missing Tooth Mukbanger because we have some really good food we're doing tomorrow. So our plan is Sea Day brunch. What else? There's just a lot more other things we're doing. So you'll see. Check it out on the Missing Tooth Mukbanger, and of course here on A&B Variety TV, we still have our bar crawl that's coming up. We already filmed one of them today. So we're hoping that we can do 6. If we could do 6, that's great. We may spread them out throughout the next 2 or 3 days. So see you guys later. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before when you